Hello viewers, from this lecture we're going to start another series of the chemistry that is basically thermochemistry. Thermochemistry. Now if we talk about the general meaning of thermochemistry, it's basically written, it can be break down into two parts. Like first break it down in thermo, that basically means heat, and then chemistry, that means normal chemistry. Now this is the chemistry which covers all the branches, all the subjects, all the topics that are related to the heat. Now there is a difference between thermochemistry and thermodynamics, because you have heard about the word thermodynamics too. If we talk about thermodynamics, so basically thermodynamics is a branch of physics that covers work done, transformation of heat, relation of heat and all those. But here if we talk about thermochemistry, so basically it is a branch of chemistry that covers all the topics that are related to transfer of heat, heat during a reaction, heat conversion and all these. Now first thing is clear, what is thermodynamics versus thermochemistry, what's the difference between it. Now second thing to be noted is that how we can differentiate between the thermochemistry and thermodynamics. Now just suppose that we do have heat energy. Now there can be two ways from where heat energy can be released. First one is physical way. Second can be chemical way. Now that sounds weird, but still there is concept between physical way and chemical way. Now physical way is referred to the things that are done by the mechanical, physical and statistical, that can be seen, that cannot be that can be measured. You can easily see that transformation. Those are included in physical chemistry or physical transformation, while the chemical one are the things like endothermic reaction, exothermic reaction and things like that. These are called chemical changes. Now when you're transferring the physical changes, that means you're transferring the dynamics, that is the topic of the physics. And if you are changing heat energy chemically, so that means that you are talking about the thermochemistry. This is the minute difference between thermochemistry and thermodynamics. Again, we do have some important points like what you can do with the help of the thermochemistry. So the first point that I think is the main point, you can predict the feasibility, like how much extension it can have, how much expansion it can have, how much extent that it can have. Extent, now let me write another thing, extent. This can also be predicted by thermochemistry. And you can talk about the things that are related to the conversion, that probably means the concentration, and plus the feasibility includes the rate of reaction. So these can be predicted by the thermochemistry that are related to the heat. After that, second thing that can be predicted, that cannot be predicted by the thermochemistry, those includes the microscopic level, the most important point. You cannot use thermochemistry for microscopic level, because here we are talking about only the things that can be seen by the naked eye, that can be absorbed by the naked eye. Microscopic, basically there should be C here, it should be scopic, microscopic level, that cannot be done here. All the things in this chemistry is at the macroscopic level. This is not at the microscopic level. Now, this is all about the introduction of thermochemistry, and I hope that you are clear with the difference between thermochemistry and thermodynamics. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel.